Hello friends, I made peri peri sauce from scratch. In this video I'm going to show you how I did it. I'm eating it with chicken, delicious chips. Peri peri sauce is the main ingredient of tonight's dish. I wanted to lightly cut up my vegetables just so it's easy to fry, and I didn't need to cut them up too hectically because it's going in a blender. I started off with 2 red peppers, some fresh tomato, then some red onion. I chopped up some garlic, and lastly some delicious chilies. Now I'm just going to add all of this, and I'm going to lightly fry it only for about 5 minutes to let those juices all get together. I'm going to add salt, pepper and garlic powder. I'm going to add some Greek oregano. I'm adding the zest of 1 lemon. I'm going to add the juice of 1 lemon. Just catch the pips here so that you're not a pipsqueak. Going to add 2 teaspoons of white sugar, but you can use any sugar, brown, maple syrup, honey, whatever you need. Now just give this a mix. Going to add a little bit of red wine vinegar, and lastly a bit of paprika. You don't want the vinegar to evaporate, so just a light fry. Keep those juices all together because those juices are where the flavor is. Take this out and get it ready for the blender. Now just to add all this into my blender so we can blend this baby up. I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil, and lastly just a little bit of water so we can blend it up. And now let's taste this deliciousness. The question is, how does it taste? I've got my chicken here, so I'm going to turn it around and I'm going to spatchcock it. So I'm going to look for the bone, which the backbone, which is right there. Is it? Yeah. So now I'm going to get rid of this backbone that I've gotten rid of, and then I'm going to keep that for stock. And here I'm going to spatchcock this little bad boy. Take a knife, put it through this cartilage, and then just get that bone nice there. There you go. And now our chicken can lay flat and cook nice and easy. I've got my chicken. I'm going to marinate it with the peri peri sauce that we made, and I'm going to get it all over this chicken and rub it all in. Let's rub it in here, and I'm going to let this sit for about an hour in the fridge. I'm going to just put this chicken on. Spatchcock it. Friends, I'm going to cook this indirect, so we're going to bake this so it can be soft, tender and juicy. Now that my chicken's ready, it's time to cut the bird. Now I'm just going to give this a taste, see if we got the sauce right. There we go. Get some sauce. Cheers everybody. That is absolutely perfect. Perfect amount of lemon, paprika, crisp from the charcoal that we made out of wood. The wood fire was amazing. This is incredible. You have to try it. Let me know in the comments below, and you tell me if you enjoyed this. Thank you. Thank you for watching everybody. Let me know in the comments below if you made it, what it tastes like, and thanks for watching. Keep on cooking, you beautiful people.